Hi guys.
Now we will draw our hands with you and then paint them.
We are starting. Don't move your hands. Why are these hands so cute? Now it's your turn.
Let's paint now.
What color will you paint it?
Pink. My favorite color is pink, so I will paint it pink. Can you give me a pen? I need to fix this.
You must hold the pen correctly. Wait, let me show you. And take sides. Please let me show you.
Okay, I think I can do it.
Let's speed up a little.
Thanks.
Thank you for watching. If you like it, you can subscribe.